I think
You
we're.
can just videotape what we've done. Say this is the final product.
This is the final.
4 days work at the Baseline Animal Shelter.
We're at the Baseline Animal Shelter. I'll put their link in the description for you can go check. You can go check the this spot out where you can adopt cats, dogs.
Oh, very nice cats and dogs.
Yeah, none of them really bite. Some, but not all. And I'll put it in the description. Go check them out. And we're
7 days a week.
7 days a week. And we're going to be doing some BB gun videos maybe today, tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow. Yeah, next week, right?
Yep, definitely next week. Maybe today, depending on how much
Maybe,
time we have.
yeah. Really that much. Oh, where do you want me to put this squishy?
Squishy's all done. I'll take the squishy.
Okay.
Go get our hands washed because we probably got poop on our hands.
Yeah. And so.
Oh, hold on, I got 2 more I gotta pull off.
Okay. So let's go in the kitty room. These are like all the cats. Oh, not all, but some of the kitties. Hey, kitty! Hey, kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty! Dude. Hi. Hi, kitty.
Now it is time to go wash my poop hands.
Yep. Let's go wash our poopy hands. Oh, it's not really poopy, not that much.
Yeah, we got all the poop out the first time, huh?
Yeah. But
still,
so you guys can see.
Pretty gross.
I'll catch you guys when we're done washing our hands.
I'm gonna come and go with you.
So let's show you outside. It's all the people who work there. I'm gonna show you guys the BB. Oh my God, it's cold. Jesus, it's winter. It's still cold. What's up, puppies? Where's that BB gun? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's this gun. It's this gun. Where are they going? Oh, that's what. Okay, that's the BB gun we're gonna be shooting. And there's more. Whoa. What the heck is going? Okay. Hi, Troy.
Where'd you go?
Show him the BB gun.
Show what?
I'm the BB gun.
Who?
You just signed into YouTube.
He's hooking me up, man. Nice one. I don't know nothing about YouTube. It's terrible. It's terrible.
He's out of it every day.
Who?
Him.
I know. He's like, look at the YouTubers. All right, do we get to go to the dark alley?
Yep, we do.
All right, I guess it's not an alley, but the stairwell of darkness. Let me make sure I got music so I don't get scared. We don't want to get scared.
Turn around and away. Leave it tonight or tomorrow?
Probably at 2 o'clock in the morning.
This is weird.
2 o'clock. I'm
You're
out of here.
weird.
Oh, Ollie's a female? Ollie's a female?
You're weird.
Yeah. Ollie ate to the.
All right, ready to go up to the attic?
What are you doing up there?
We're gonna go see if we can find a monster.
My first cat growing up was my
Yeah.
There's monsters in the attic, and we're gonna go find them. Huh. Hurry up. Oh, there it is, the darkness. Are you sure you want to go into the darkness?
Let's go.
All right, we're out of here. Into the darkness. But can't we see? We don't have any light. Oh no.
That's,
This is the attic of the barn.
yeah.
And if you look up top, you can see all the arachnids, which are spiders. And maybe that's not the right word for them. Maybe they're not arachnids. But let's see if we can find something hiding that's going to jump out and scare us. Think there's something in here?
I feel like I should go get that
Like
flashlight.
the little goblin that jumps out and scares us?
Yeah.
Hello? Anybody up here?
A police.
I don't know if there's anybody up here. Anybody in there? It's not as scary as I thought it was up here.
I heard something in that barn.
Anybody in there? Ah! Nothing in there. No cats hiding. What are these? Cats?
I don't know.
Alright, I don't see any monsters up here or nothing.
No.
Oh, I did find some paper towels.
You did?
Yeah, we take something downstairs.
Ooh, there's.
Holy cow, we got a whole bunch of paper towels over here. I didn't even know they were here.
Oh, you have a whole bunch of toys over here too.
Toys?
Look,
Man, we could have been up here playing toys, like trucks and stuff.
look. And there's little animal crate things.
Oh, these are toys for the animals, not for us.
No.
Oh, how about this big bear? Aww. And he's got a backpack.
He does?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's a whole bunch.
Hiding in it.
Let's make a toilet paper for it.
Oh, we could.
Okay.
Okay, do it.
Okay.
Toilet paper for it. Let's see.